Hello sir, myself Rupesh Burkar, and our today's topic is interface and abstraction in Java. Okay, so before moving on to our topic, I would like to introduce myself. Hello, I'm Rupesh Burkar. I did my graduation from Government College of Engineering, Avsari, Pune in 2020, specialized in computer science. So now let's move back to our topic, which is interface and abstraction. So interface and abstraction are the mostly useful concepts in Java. Mostly useful concepts in Java, and it is the future features of the OOPS concept. Okay, there are so many features of OOPS concept like class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, interface, and abstraction. Okay, and encapsulation. The interface, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstractions are used for the code usability, code reusability. Okay, so these are the four methods which are used for the code reusability of any kind. So now let's move to our topic, which is abstraction class. Okay, so first we will discuss about the what is an abstract class, and then we will discuss about the interface. Okay, so the abstract class is used for the hiding the implementation detail from the user and showing only the required function, showing only the required functions, which means that we are in this scenario we are hiding the implementation details. Means whatever the implementation is done for that function, which are shows to the user in the interface. Okay, so let us take an example so you can clearly get what is abstraction. So let's suppose the example of the ATM card. Okay, when we insert a ATM card for the cash withdrawal, there are so many options is come to our screen, our screen. So so the user get the functions which are withdrawal, fast cash withdrawal, or balance inquiry, and so on. So if I want, as a user, if I want to withdraw the cash, then just I click the withdrawal and I just type the password and type how much money I want to withdraw. So and after some time, after within a second, the machine will give us that cash out to the machine. So how does it done? If I suppose, if when I click to the withdrawal, then what are the process which are going inside the ATM machines? Okay, what are the processes to be done during the withdrawal of the cash? These are the implementations are hidden from the user. Okay, so I cannot able to see what is going on behind the withdrawal functions. Okay, when I click the withdrawal functions, what are the process and the functions are going through to withdraw those caches? I do not get that implementation. So these are the implementation details and showing only the required functions. Okay, so there one of the method, one of the example is ATM machine, and another one best example is vehicle. Okay, suppose I want, when we see a car, we can only see the functionality of that car, like steering. Okay, steering, accelerator. We just see the functionality, how does the car operate by the functions. But the details, when I rotate the steering, what will be happen, what is going when I rotate those steering, what happen, what is going behind when I accelerate the when I use the accelerate function. So these are the functions whose implementations are hidden from the user. So this is not required for the every user to know that how the steering is working behind him, how the accelerator functions working. So these are the not required or not required kind of implementation. So these are the implementations which are hidden hidden from the user, only showing the this. Now how do we achieve the abstract class? Using the abstraction we can achieve 0 to 100%. Okay, we use 0 to 100% abstraction. So how do we achieve that? By when we create any class, and in those class if we write any method like start. Okay, let's take an example with the class which is vehicle, and I have implemented some method which is means I have some methods which I just said that I just say that start. Okay, and I did not write any kind of body to the start method. I just simply say start and I end it there. And at that time we have to mention, so this is a kind of a abstract method. Okay, which the abstract method means it doesn't contain any body. So for this we must have to write the in front of that method as a abstract void. Okay, public abstract. So it is considered as an abstract method. So whenever we write the abstract method, whenever we write the abstract method, then we must have to declare the class as an abstract class. Okay, if we do not declare, then it will show an compile time error. So to avoid this error we must have to declare our class as abstract class. So this is how the abstraction is, and whenever we cannot create the object of the abstract class. Similarly in interface we also cannot create the abstract class. The difference between the abstract class and interface is used for to achieve the 100% of abstract class. What happens in the scenario of the abstract class, that is, suppose if I have one method which is abstract method, then the abstract class can also contains a regular method which is concrete method. Means I can have the methods with the body or some output or some return type. Okay, so it also abstract class when contain the regular concrete method as well as the abstract method, then we cannot say that it is 100% abstractions. Okay, so it is somewhat about the 0 to 100, between 0 to 100%. Okay, but using the interface we can achieve the 100% abstractions. So the interface in interface we has we seen that in the abstract class we declare that class as an abstract class, but in interface we declare that as an interface, we do not declare as abstract. And in interface all the methods which are coming inside that abstract interface are abstract method. If we try to write the concrete method as per the version till 7, so then it will show an error. Okay, it cannot considered as an interface, it will show an error and we cannot further proceed. But as we see in the version of 8 and 9, some features are added to for the interface, that we can also have the concrete methods. Still we can have the 100% abstraction using the interface when it has a concrete method. So how do we write in concrete method? As we seen in earlier versions, that when we write concrete method in the interface, it will show an error. Okay, so how to avoid that? So for avoid that, the Java provides us some keywords which are used to create the concrete methods in interface after the version 8 and 9. So how do we create an concrete method? So for creating the concrete method, we just have to write the default. Okay, default in front of the concrete method. So the compiler will consider that it is a concrete method with the default. So then it will accept that and it will do not show any error. Okay, it will not show any error. And the another one method is to creating the concrete method in the interface is that using the static keyword. Okay, as we know that when we use the static keyword to access those method or those fields or those block, we do not need to create an object of that class or interface. Okay, so so the so and the difference between the abstract class and the interface is, abstract class can also have the regular methods as well as the abstract methods. When we declared inside the class one of them method is a abstract method, then we must have to declare that class as abstract method. Okay, in interface all the methods inside that interface are abstract method. It do not contain any concrete method, but after the version we have discussed that how we can create the concrete method or a regular method. So another one difference is, abstract class, we cannot create the object of the abstract class, and as well as we cannot create the object of the interface. Another one difference is abstract class can abstract class, if I created abstract class and I have to implement those methods, then I just simply create another class which extends the abstract class. Okay, extends keyword is used for the implementation of the abstract class methods, and it will, while I say the child class extends the abstract class, then it will show an error. This is why, because we have not implemented the abstracts methods. As soon as we implement the abstract method which are available in abstract class, then the error will be removed. Okay, so similar in the interface. But in interface we use implementation keyword for the implementation of all those methods. So this is all about the abstract class and the interface. Thank you.